Well, AAA busy this week. Calls to help with tire blowouts spike in our summer months in this extreme heat.
Yeah, it really makes it dangerous for the driver behind the wheel and everyone on the road. Maria Hechanova shows us what we need to know as the heat puts our cars to the test.
Auto experts say now is the time to check your tires because the Arizona heat can really beat them up. This is an example of a good tire. You can see how thick and deep the tread is. And right over here, this is an example of a bad one. It's completely gone.
The heat is the enemy of the tire because it will wear down the tire material quicker. This is definitely our busy season.
It's Brad Slagle's job to help customers prevent a tire blowout.
One thing that is crucial is the age of the tire.
In Arizona, its lifespan is cut short.
Out here with the heat, tires usually last about 5 or 6 years.
So that's why he says it's important to look for.
There's a date on the tire, and it's just after the DOT.
The 4 numbers represent the week and year it was made.
It means the 47th week of 2018.
Slagle also stresses checking your tire pressure and your tread.
This tire was definitely a ticking time bomb.
The recommended PSI is located inside your door.
35.
AAA says tire blowouts are one of the top calls they get over the summer.
If a tire fails while you're driving, it could not only be an inconvenience, but it could pose a safety hazard. In fact, there's been fatal crashes involving tires blowing out.
Just yesterday, DPS tells us a married couple died after losing control of their car on I-10. Their treads separated from their tire, but investigators couldn't determine if the heat is partly to blame.
DPS says the one thing you shouldn't do is slam on the brakes if you have a tire blowout. Instead, slowly push them and keep your hands on the steering wheel. In Surprise, Maria Hechanova for Arizona's Family.